Hey guys, it's Shriya here and welcome to my channel Beauty and the Code. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification next to it so that you'll be notified of all my future videos. Having said that, let's get started with today's video. In today's video, I will be unboxing the Orna boxes. Now I have ordered both the boxes, which is like $3.99 plus 50 rupees delivery charge, and the $6.99 one. In both the boxes you get around 4 to 5 pieces every month, and you can place an order for monthly or 3 months or 6 months and so. And you can contact the Orna box team through Instagram or through a WhatsApp number. And I'm going to leave all the links and the details of Orna box in the description box below so that you can check that out. And if you wish to order, then you can do so using those details. So both the boxes have come into this parcel, so I'm just going to unbox this and share the $3.99 box first. So these are the two boxes. The green taped one is $3.99 plus 50 rupees delivery charge, and the blue taped one is for $6.99. So I have opened the $3.99 one and everything has come properly bubble wrapped. So I'm just going to remove this and get started with the unboxing. So the jewelry pieces have come in these pouches, which is very cute and convenient as well. The packaging is great, and I see some of the things related to Christmas. They are like very cute little Christmas trees and some gifts and a cute little Santa. I think it was supposed to be a proper Christmas tree. I have to consolidate this. Such a cute one, so it's like Christmas special. And I also have some candies. So coming to the first jewelry piece, I've got this red and white pearl and wooden earring, and I'm just going to try this and show it to you guys. It's very lightweight and I think it will go very well with any Indian sort of a dress. This is how the first jewelry piece looks like. It's a wooden circular piece which is very light, and it has a pearl detailing to it. It's looking nice, it's looking decent, and it will look nice with Indian wear. So this is the first jewelry piece. It's very lightweight and it's very wearable kind of a jewelry. The only thing is that I just feel that the quality is a little bit medium sort of. Like, I'm not super impressed with the quality, but it's something that you can wear very easily, and it's very wearable sort of a jewelry piece. So this is the first one that I've got. So coming to the second jewelry piece, it's somewhat metallic and it has stones on it, and this is how it looks like. They are metallic and they are like dangler pattern, and there's a black stone and a white stone detailing on it. It seems a little heavy to me, but I'm just going to wear and see if it is wearable or not. Right, so let me just zoom in and show it to you guys how this piece looks like. I was a little bit wrong. It's not really heavy. It's something that is very wearable and lightweight, and this one is a good quality one. I really like the way it looks and I like the work on it. To the third jewelry piece, it is this pendant, and it is a gold chain and a golden pendant, which is like a cylindrical pendant, and it has white crystals in it. Like, if I rotate, you will be able to see the crystals well. A bit lengthier, so I don't think you can see it on the screen, but this is how it looks, and it's not really going with my funky t-shirts, so sorry about that. But yeah, it's very wearable and it's very traditional sort of a jewelry piece, and it's something that will probably go only with traditionals. It's not something that will go with western. But it is a wearable piece, and I think you can wear it for office also. So the next jewelry piece that I see, I think, is an anklet. Earlier I thought that this was a bracelet, but then no, I think that this is an anklet because it's really huge, and it has like golden butterflies on it and some crystals hanging. So this is how it looks. Now, I'm not someone who uses anklets much, because I just find it very irritating. So I'm someone who prefers wearing earrings a lot, and maybe like finger rings, but anklet is not something that I usually wear. But since that this has come in the Orna box, I think I'll just try it once or twice when I'm wearing Indian wear. The last and the fifth piece that I've seen in my Orna box is this finger ring. Now this finger ring is has some crystal work on it, like it has stone and crystal work on it, and it looks a little bit on the bolder side, and I'm just going to wear it and see. And it is a tad bit loose, like even on my first finger it is loose, but it's not that loose that it will just come down, or is it? So it's a tad bit loose, but this is something that I can actually wear because I am someone who likes wearing bolder fingerings. So I kind of like this one. So from 399 box, I think this finger ring and the metallic earrings are my favorite from the 399 one. I think this piece and the finger ring are the ones that I see myself wearing a lot. So those were 5 items from the 399 box. Now I'm going to unbox the blue one, which is for 699. So I just wanted to show you guys how additional gifts are wrapped inside. Like you can see these small articles that she has sent for Christmas, and it's a small Christmas tree and these little gifts, and there's a small disco ball as well. How cute is this? So basically, and there are some more candies. Yeah, some more candies and a little Santa out there. So I think these are like special little gifts for Christmas because it's month of December. So I'm just going to put all of that aside, and these are all the pieces, jewelry pieces that are inside. I just wanted to give you a close look up. So yeah, let me just start unwrapping these and show it to you guys. So the first jewelry piece that I'm seeing is a statement necklace. Now this is how the necklace looks like. It's a very bold crystal work and a pearl sort of neck piece, and it has like ribbon chains to it. Now I would have personally preferred if it would have had a chain which would have been adjustable to wear, but this one comes with satin ribbons, and it's definitely not going to look nice on me when I wear it with a t-shirt like this, but yeah, this is how it will look if you wear it with some plain simple top like white top or probably a black top. I think this will look really pretty with that. The piece itself is really good. It's looking nice. It's very bold. If you're someone who likes very subtle pieces, definitely you're not going to like this one. I personally liked it. Like I like the purple pop of color in this between the black and the white, so that is something that I'm liking, really liking. So yeah, this is the first piece in the 699 box. So the next jewelry piece in the 699 box is this tassel earring, which is of navy blue color. They have a simple hook to them, and they have some work on this metallic holder, and then they have these beautiful silk tassels. Tassels are so in these days. Every now and then, every second person I see is wearing lovely tassel earrings, and this color is really pretty, and this is something that will go with so many dresses that I own. It's going to look very good with kurtis and all. So this is how the second piece looks like. I'm just going to zoom you guys in so that you can get a better look. Coming to the third jewelry piece, it is again metallic earrings with some white crystal work on it. It's not exactly crystal, I think. These are like marble kind of looking white work. I'll just give you a close-up so that you can see it for yourself. I really like even this earring, like the metallic and the white combination is really going well, and it's not very heavy on my ears, so it's something that is very wearable. So let me just check the next piece that I have. So the fourth jewelry piece that I see is a bracelet, and this one is a very beautiful bracelet. It is again a metallic one, and it has like a green stone in between, and the green stone also has the metallic detailings over it. So this is how the bracelet is looking on me. It fits in perfectly on my wrist. I am someone who has a tad bit of thicker wrist, and bracelets look good on me, but I usually don't wear them much, but this one is looking really pretty and it's looking like a watch, so it's something that I can actually wear. It's very wearable sort of a bracelet. I actually loved this bracelet because it's very elegant and it has a little bit of ethnic feel to it. I absolutely love this bracelet. Now I'm just checking the last jewelry piece that I have, and it's like a studded earring. This one is again a metallic earring, but it has like an orange crystal in between. This is something that is not a dangler kind of an earring, so you can wear it with western wear also, but a western wear that has a kind of Indian touch to it, because it does look a little bit traditional. So yeah, that was the last jewelry piece that I received in the 699 box. Now clearly the 699 box is a winner for me because I liked each and every jewelry piece that was present in the 699 box. It was completely value for money for me. The 399 box, however, I only ended up liking 2 of the jewelry pieces. Like 2 are the ones that I will be reaching out for more, and other jewelry pieces were just average for me. But clearly 699 box was the winner this time. All the jewelry pieces are so amazing and wearable. I really enjoyed like wearing each and every jewelry piece from the 699 box. So that was everything about the Honor boxes. Now Honor box has also introduced a 299 box which is for kids, and it has accessories for kids. And also if you purchase that box, 10% of the share will go for the charity, and it will be going for homeless children to get them new clothes during winters. And I think it's a very noble cause, and I will completely support the Honor box team for thinking out of the box and helping the people who are in need. So that was everything about Honor boxes, and that was the unboxing of the 399 and the 699 boxes. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video, and I'll be leaving all the details about Honor box, like I mentioned before, in the description box below. You can check that out. And that was everything about today's unboxing. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Follow me on all my social medias, links to which I'll be leaving in the description box below. And I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye.